हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय स्वामीनारायण। राजेंद्र पटेल, गणभा गुरुकुल, चैप्टर 8 डेसिमल जो कंटिन्यूस है डेसिमल और उसकी एक्सरसाइज 8.4। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट कन्वर्शन, मीन्स convert one unit into second unit. Suppose paise in rupees, centimeter in meter, mm in centimeter. So first we have to knowledge about what is the main difference between rupees and paise. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise होता है. This is the main, or we have to convert paise into rupees. If we want to convert rupees into paise, so we have to multiply by 100. But we want to find bigger unit and we have smaller unit, so we have to divide. When we have given smaller unit and convert into bigger unit, we have to divide by the main relation of rupees and paise. Like this, here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We have here also given small unit, right? So we have to convert into bigger unit. So we have also divided by 100. But here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So express this uses decimal 5 mm. Mm is smaller unit and centimeter is bigger unit, so we have to divide by 10. So in first sum we have to divide by 100 to convert into rupees. In second sum we have to divide by also 100, and last sum we have to divide by 10. First one, A, 5 paise. Therefore 5 upon 100. When we have given 2 0, so 2 point is cut. One is 5, second is 0, and 0 put here 0. So this is rupees. This is rupees. So we have to convert like this in rupees. We second things B, 75 paise. This is also divided by 100. 2 0 means 2 we have given only 0.75. We like this rupees also. Rupees 0.75. C1 20 paise. It has also 2 digit. Therefore 2 upon 100. 0 0 cut. Otherwise 0.20 direct, rupees 0.20. 50 rupees. We have given 50 rupees and we have to convert into, if we have given rupees then we have to convert into paise. So here multiplication. We have given rupees, so D, 50 rupees. We have to given rupees, so we have to convert into paise into 100 multiplied by 100, so 5,000. 5 1 5, 3 0. Paise. This is paise. Like this. D. Then 50 rupees. 50 rupees and 90 paise. 50 rupees plus 90 paise. So this is rupees. So 50 rupees clear. And this is 90 upon 100. अब हो जाएगा rupees. तो टोटल 50 plus 0.90 rupees. Therefore 50 upon 90 rupees. तो rupees direct rupees 50. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Friends, now E, 7 to 5. मतलब 725 डायरेक्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू पैसे। देयरफॉर रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से डिवाइड करो, 1 2 हियर पॉइंट कट, तो रुपीज 7.25। Here sum number 1 is completed. How? The sum number 1 is completed because we have do A to E and we divide all of by 100. Why we do not divide rupees? Because it is already given in rupees. But this is 90 पैसे, तो we have convert into पैसे। ये रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से डिवाइड करना पड़ता है। लाइक दिस बोथ आर सेम। यहाँ भी मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 15 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 15/100। देयरफॉर 0.50 क्या हो जाएगा मीटर। लाइक दिस b is equal to same centimeter, but here 6/100, here only one digit, so put 1 0 here, it is meter. Now see 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Friends, look here, 2 meter is already given, so 2 meter plus 45 centimeter, so we have to convert 2 meter plus 45/100. So 2 meter is equal to 200, मतलब 2 meter 200 plus 2 meter we have given already meter, तो 45 मतलब 0.45, तो 2 ऐसे प्लस करना है, 2.00 plus 0.45, it is 2.45, तो 2.45 meter. Now see after then D is 9 meter and 70 centimeter, so 9 meter total and 70/100, so 2 digit, so 9 meter plus 0.07 meter total like this, so 9.07 meter। ऐसे उसका भी टोटल करना है। नाउ लास्ट E 419 सेंटीमीटर डिवाइड बाय 100, 2 digit cut, 4.19 meter। Now friends, now a little change is here, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So when we have given, we divide all by 10. But if we have given centimeter, then we do not have to divide this because already given in centimeter. We have to convert into centimeter. This is a 5 mm. It means 5/10. Here 1 0, only 1 digit after decimal. It is convert centimeter. Now B 60 mm. Therefore 60/10, 1 digit is equal to 6 centimeter. C 164 mm divide by 10, only 1 digit cut, so therefore 16.4 centimeter. Like these 9 centimeter and 8 mm. So here 9 centimeter is completed. 8 mm is equal to 8/100 centimeter. So 9 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter is equal to 9.8 centimeter. Now last E is equal to 93 mm divided by 10, so 9.1 digit cut, 9.3 centimeter. So friends, how we convert one unit in other unit? So friends, we convert one unit in other unit because we must have to remember relation between two units. Here rupees, then 100 paise, meter, then 100 centimeter, centimeter, then 10 mm. Like 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So friends, this is a decimal fraction of sum number exercise 8.4, sum number 1 and 2 and 3 is completed. In next period we have study about sum number 4 and 5. Thanks a lot. Jai Swaminarayan.